Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into something truly exciting, a brand new AI tool that can transform the way you use short-form videos to generate leads, clicks, and sales. If you're creating Reels, Shorts, TikToks, or any kind of video content online, you're going to love this. Because it turns simple videos into powerful money-making funnels without needing landing pages, complicated software, or tech skills. This tool is perfect for creators, affiliate marketers, digital marketers, small businesses, basically anyone who wants to convert viewers into customers more efficiently. Before we begin, make sure you like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss future reviews and tutorials. It really supports the channel and helps us keep bringing you tools that boost your income and simplify your workflow. And don't forget, the link to VideoFunnels AI is in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. VideoFunnels AI is an innovative video marketing tool designed to turn your Reels, Shorts, and TikToks into high-converting funnels without the need for traditional landing pages or external websites. Instead of redirecting viewers to different pages, where most people drop off, VideoFunnels AI embeds interactive elements directly inside your videos. That means viewers can enter their email, click buttons, explore offers, or even purchase products while still watching the content. It's a modern, frictionless approach to funnel building that matches today's fast-paced, short attention span social media environment. With the power of AI, VideoFunnels AI analyzes your video and automatically suggests the best places to add opt-in forms, call-to-action buttons, affiliate links, countdown timers, or product offers. This ensures maximum engagement and higher conversions because your audience gets the right message at the right moment. Whether you're doing affiliate marketing, selling digital products, promoting services, or capturing leads for email marketing, this tool transforms simple videos into interactive funnels that work anywhere on social media, your website, inside emails, or even in ads. It's built to help creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs monetize their content faster and more efficiently than ever before. VideoFunnels AI comes packed with powerful features that transform ordinary short-form videos into complete funnels without the need for landing pages, websites, or complicated builders. One of its standout abilities is AI-powered in-video funnel injection, meaning it embeds lead forms, CTAs, buttons, offers, countdown timers, and affiliate links directly inside your video while it plays. Whether it's a Reel, YouTube Short, or TikTok clip, the platform can turn any video into a fully functional funnel in under 60 seconds. All you do is upload or paste your video link, add the funnel layers you want, and let the AI handle placement, timing, and optimization. Another major advantage is the system's built-in lead capture capabilities. With VideoFunnels AI, viewers can submit their email, phone number, or custom data inside the video, right when engagement is at its peak. This reduces drop-off dramatically because no one has to leave the content or click away to a different page. In the same way, you can add clickable buy buttons, website links, and affiliate CTAs that pop up at precisely the right moment in the video. From impulse clicks to instant opt-ins, the experience feels smooth, distraction-free, and incredibly conversion-friendly. To boost urgency and persuasion, VideoFunnels AI offers countdown timers, flash offer banners, and scarcity overlays that appear during the video. These elements help motivate immediate action, perfect for limited-time promotions, product launches, bonuses, or flash sales. The smart AI engine automatically suggests the best timing and placement for all these elements, removing any guesswork. Everything is designed to keep viewers engaged and guide them toward the action you want them to take. Plus, the platform comes with a full library of done-for-you funnel templates like lead funnels, CTA funnels, sales funnels, pre-launch funnels, and webinar funnels, so you can get started instantly. Finally, the system is built for total freedom and scalability. You can create unlimited video funnels from a fully cloud-based dashboard with no downloads, no installations, and no device restrictions. Your funnels work everywhere: Reels, Shorts, TikTok, YouTube, websites, paid ads, and any platform that supports video. A commercial license is included, which means you can sell video funnels to clients, creators, and businesses, and keep 100% of what you earn. And with no monthly fees, no hidden costs, and a 30-day money-back guarantee, VideoFunnels AI is beginner-friendly, risk-free, and one of the most accessible video funnel tools available today. VideoFunnels AI makes the entire process incredibly simple, even for beginners, by breaking everything down into 3 quick steps. First, you start by adding your video. You can upload a clip directly from your device or paste a link from any reel, YouTube Short, or TikTok. As soon as you do that, VideoFunnels AI automatically imports it into your dashboard without requiring any editing tools, software setups, or formatting adjustments. Within seconds, your content is ready to be transformed into an interactive, conversion-focused video funnel. Next, you enhance your video by adding funnel layers such as lead capture forms, clickable CTA buttons, affiliate links, countdown timers, offer banners, or any other elements you want viewers to interact with. Everything is fully drag and drop, and the built-in AI recommends the best timing and placement to get maximum engagement. Once you're satisfied, you simply hit publish. Your video instantly becomes a live, fully functional funnel that you can share anywhere: social media, websites, emails, ads, or direct links. From that point on, it automatically collects leads, drives clicks, and generates sales while people continue watching your content, turning every video into a hand-free conversion machine. The bonuses included with VideoFunnels AI aren't just random add-ons. They're full-scale income-generating tools designed to multiply your results and help you expand your digital business. Each bonus comes with commercial or resell rights, meaning you can use them in your own workflow, sell them as standalone tools, or package them to clients for additional profit. You get an AI long video creator capable of turning simple text into cinematic long-form videos with transitions, effects, and full editing controls. There's also an AI copywriter that produces high-converting scripts, ads, descriptions, and marketing copy in seconds, perfect for fueling your content machine or reselling as your own software. On top of that, you get an AI graphics designer for creating logos, thumbnails, banners, and social media designs instantly, as well as a massive library of 10,000+ AI prompts you can use or sell as a digital product. The bundle continues with AI Voice Masters, a powerful voiceover generator that lets you create studio-quality audio in multiple tones and accents, ideal for YouTube videos, ads, narrations, and client projects, and yes, you can resell it. You also receive a premium stock content library packed with thousands of high-quality videos, images, and audio files that you can use in your own funnels or sell as a full stock collection. Overall, these bonuses are strategically designed to help you create content faster, increase your earnings, offer more services, and build multiple income streams around VideoFunnels AI. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or agency owner, these tools give you everything you need to scale your results quickly and profitably. When it comes to value, VideoFunnels AI delivers far more than just a typical software tool. You're unlocking a complete ecosystem designed to replace landing pages, funnel builders, link in bio tools, video editors, graphic tools, and even email capture systems. The core platform alone lets you turn any short-form video into a fully functional, interactive funnel with embedded lead capture, clickable CTAs, real-time offers, and urgency overlays, all without needing hosting or external pages. Added to that, you're getting an advanced in-video lead collection system, a CTA and offer layer engine, an AI smart placement engine, scarcity and countdown features, done-for-you funnel templates, multi-platform compatibility, unlimited funnel creation, commercial licensing, step-by-step training, and access to a fully cloud-based dashboard. Each of these components carries immense value on its own, with the total package valued at over $12,473 plus. However, despite everything that's included, you're not paying anything close to that amount. VideoFunnels AI is currently available for a limited time at a tiny one-time price of just $14.97, making it one of the most affordable and high-value funnel tools on the market. No monthly fees, no recurring charges, and no hidden upgrades required to access the core features. This one-time investment gets you unlimited video funnels, lead capture systems, commercial rights, and all future updates included. Whether you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, agency owner, or online entrepreneur, this pricing makes VideoFunnels AI accessible to everyone while offering the potential to generate outsized returns from day one. And that's the wrap-up of our full breakdown of VideoFunnels AI. This tool is truly changing the way creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs turn simple short-form videos into powerful, automated conversion machines. If you're looking to capture more leads, boost affiliate sales, promote offers, or build funnels without complicated software, this is definitely something you'll want to try out. The link is in the description, so make sure to check it out and explore everything it offers. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable reviews, tutorials, and tools that can help you grow online. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.